fam. I'm Dr. Pulse, the brand ambassador, and welcome to Preventive Pulse, the ultimate glow-up spot for your health. Let's be real. Life's a whole vibe, but stress, sitting too much, and all that adulting, not so much. That's why we're here to drop a brand new info series that's all about leveling up your wellness game. From now on, we're dropping the latest health hacks, next level innovations, and low-key secrets on how to save big on healthcare. No cap. It's all about keeping your wellness game strong without breaking the bank. We're talking real talk so you can flex your health knowledge and stay ahead of the curve. Whether you want to boost your energy, chill out, or just keep your health on fleek, Preventive Pulse has your back. We're here to help you glow from the inside out. Heads up, squad, I won't be popping up every day, but trust me, you're gonna see way more fire content dropping your way. So, smash that subscribe button, join the squad, and let's ride the wellness wave together. Your best self? It's literally loading. Let's get it.